This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Chelsea Parr. This 4-bedroom/3-bath Tommy Williams home built in 2021 is move-in ready. The open floor plan with a 3-way split is thoughtfully laid out. The L-shaped kitchen with island has granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, tile backsplash with under-cabinet lighting and ample cabinet space in addition to a walk-in pantry. The primary suite is oversized with a walk-in closet, plus the bath has double vanities with a walk-in shower. Other features include 10-foot tall ceilings throughout, pocket sliding glass doors with new automated shades, crown molding, 2 tray ceilings and luxury vinyl plank flooring in main living areas, hallways, and owner's suite. Relax on the back screened lanai while overlooking your fenced yard. Enjoy all the amenities that Oakmont has to offer, including a pool, tennis, playground, fitness center, basketball court and more. For more information, review the details below.